In today's video, how to fix your ROG Ally if it's not charging. If you've been plugging it in and nothing's happening, don't worry, here's what to try. First, reset the USB-C port. Even if the screen's off and the device seems dead, go ahead and press and hold the power button for 45 seconds. This helps reset the power system. Once that's done, wait a couple seconds, then try turning it on like normal. After it boots, plug in the charger and see if it starts charging again. If it doesn't work right away, try the 45-second hold one more time and go through the steps again. Next up, test a different charger or cable. A lot of times, the issue is actually with the charging equipment and not the Ally itself. Try using another USB-C charger that's rated for at least 65 WPD. And if you still have the original charger, give that a shot too. Don't forget to swap out the cable while you're at it, especially if it's been bent or frayed. Now take a close look at the USB-C port on the Ally. Shine a flashlight in there and check for any dust, lint, or gunk that might be blocking the connection. You can use a bit of compressed air or a soft brush to clean it out gently. And finally, try to stick with official accessories when possible. Some third-party chargers just don't play nice with the Ally, even if they're high wattage. ASUS official chargers or ones that are specifically rated for the device are your best bet.